Hello and namaskar dear kids. Welcome to English grammar class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 12, comparison of adjective. And the learning objective of this lesson is, at the end of this lesson you will be able to identify the positive, comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. You will also be able to identify the degree of comparison of the given adjective in the given sentence. Identify the rules of using the degrees of comparison of the given adjective, and you will also be able to change the degree of comparison of an adjective without changing the meaning of the sentence. So, are you all ready? So, let's start our chapter number 12, comparison of adjective. Dear kids, as we had already studied that there are three kinds of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So, let's see the first one. This is a big ball. It's positive degree of comparison. Then this ball is bigger than the yellow ball. We are comparing two things. That's why it's a comparative degree. This is the biggest ball of the lot. It is superlative degree. Now let us first study what is positive degree of comparison. The positive degree of an adjective is used to describe a single thing or person. It simply describes the existence of quality. For example, Amar is a tall boy. Here, tall is the adjective which shows positive degree, as it shows no comparison in the quality of height. The sentence simple state that Amar is a tall boy. Now let's see adjective comparative degree. The comparative degree of an adjective is used to compare two things or two persons with each other. For example, Amit is taller than Amar. Here we are comparing Amar's height with Amit. So, we are saying that Amit is taller than Amar. We are comparing two things here. That's why it's a comparative degree. What is comparative degree, dear kids? Comparative degree of an adjective is used to compare two things or two persons with each other. And what is positive degree? Positive degree of an adjective is used to describe a single thing or person. There is no comparison in positive degree. But in comparative degree, we are comparing two things or two persons. Alright, now let's see what is superlative degree. Adjective superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective is used to compare more than two persons or things. It refers to the highest degree of comparison. For example, Ajay is the tallest of the three boys. Here, the adjective tallest refers to the superlative degree. It is used to compare the height of the three boys. Height of the three boys, Amar, Amit and Ajay, and shows that Ajay is tallest. So we had learned Amar is the tall boy. Here it is positive degree of comparison. Then Amit is taller than Amar. Taller is comparative degree. We are comparing two things. Right. Then Ajay is the tallest of the three boys. Here tallest is superlative degree. Now let us see The formation of degree of comparison. Forming degree of comparison. For most adjective, the comparative degree is formed by adding er. बहुत सारे एडजेक्टिव में कंपैरेटिव डिग्री किससे फॉर्म होती है? पॉजिटिव डिग्री के वर्ड में er लगाने से. और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कैसे फॉर्म होती है? पॉजिटिव डिग्री में est लगाने से. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. शॉर्ट तो शॉर्टर एंड शॉर्टेस्ट. काइंड काइंडर and kindest. So for most adjective, the comparative degree is formed by adding er and the superlative degree is formed by adding est to the positive form. Now let's see the second forming degree of comparison. If the positive form of an adjective ends in e, अगर पॉजिटिव फॉर्म एडजेक्टिव का किस में एंड होता है? ई में. देन द कंपेरेटिव डिग्री इज फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग आर. कंपेरेटिव डिग्री में फिर हमें क्या लगाना है? सिर्फ आर. एंड द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग एसटी टू द पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. इसका मतलब है ऐसे पॉजिटिव फॉर्म ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव जिसका एंड होता है ई वर्ड से, ई लेटर से. वर्ड किससे एंड होता है? ई लेटर से. वहां पे हमें सिर्फ आर लगाना है कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में. एंड एस टी, सिर्फ एस और टी लगाना है सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल. Positive degree gentle, comparative gentler and superlative gentlest. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Then wise, wiser, wisest. Now let's see the third forming degree of comparison. If the positive form of an adjective ends in y and it has a consonant before it, अगर पॉजिटिव डिग्री y में एंड होता है एंड उसके आगे क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट. देन y is first changed to I. तो y को हमको किस में चेंज करना है? I में. बिफोर एडिंग er and est to the positive form. Alright. जब भी कोई भी पॉजिटिव फॉर्म ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव अगर y में एंड होता है एंड उसके आगे कॉन्सोनेंट है तो फर्स्ट हमें y को I में चेंज करना है and then we will add er and est to the positive form. Now if y has a vowel before it, अगर y के आगे vowel है it then er and est are simply added to the positive form. तो हमें er और est simply add कर देना है पॉजिटिव फॉर्म के साथ इंस्टेड ऑफ चेंजिंग y into I. y को हम I में कब चेंज करेंगे? जब वहां पे y के आगे कॉन्सोनेंट होगा. लेकिन अगर y के आगे वोवेल है तो हमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं करने हैं, हमें सिर्फ er और est लगा देना है. लेट्स सी एग्जांपल. हैवी. y के आगे क्या है? v and it's a consonant. That's why we had changed y into I and then we had added er and then est. So it has become heavy, heavier, heaviest. Now let's see the second example. Gray. Y के आगे E है and it's a vowel. So we had simply added er and est and the word become grayer, grayest. Now let us see the fourth rule of forming degrees of comparison. For some adjective, the last letter of the positive form is double. Before adding er and est to form the comparative and superlative degree respectively. कुछ एडजेक्टिव के लिए लास्ट लेटर को हमें डबल करना पड़ता है पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में, और फिर हमें ऐड करना पड़ता है ER and EST to comparative to form comparative and superlative degree respectively. Let us see the example for better understanding. Here sad, so it will become sadder. We had added D, one more D, and it has become sadder and saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Now let's see the fifth wala rule. For adjective having more than 2 syllables. अब कुछ adjective में more than 2 syllables होते हैं. The comparative and superlative degree are formed by adding more and most respectively before the positive form. And the examples are wonderful. So the comparative form is more wonderful and superlative form is most wonderful. Then useful, so more useful and most useful. For some adjective, the comparative and superlative degree are formed by using completely different words. कुछ adjectives comparative and superlative degree कैसे form होती है? For some adjectives completely different words से. For example, पॉजिटिव डिग्री में अगर मैनी और मच है तो कंपैरेटिव में मोर एंड सुपरलेटिव में मोस्ट. वैसे ही वेल या गुड है तो बेटर एंड बेस्ट, लिटिल तो लेस, लेसर और लीस्ट. नाउ टेक आउट योर नोटबुक्स एंड गिव हेडिंग चैप्टर नंबर 12 कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स and write it down extra grammar exercise. Chapter number 12 comparison of adjective. Extra grammar exercise. And give heading complete the table and make 3 columns. One is for positive, another one is for comparative, and the third one is for superlative. Make 3 columns in your notebook. And let's start writing the questions first, then we will write the answers of it. Write it down, the first one. Strong, stronger than, the strongest, strong, stronger, strongest. Likewise, you need to make columns. 3 columns. One is for positive, comparative, second one, and third one is for superlative. Then write it down, the second one. Difficult. Then leave 2 dash. Make 2 dash here. And then write it down. C1. Give dash in positive degree. Then write it down younger than. Here in comparative degree, and then give one more dash in superlative degree. Now come to D1, give dash in positive degree, dash in comparative degree, and in superlative degree write it down, the cleanest, CLEANEST, the cleanest. Now come to E. Write it down, quick, QUICK, quick in positive degree. Then give dash in comparative degree. All this dash we will be filling later on while we will be answering the questions. And then give one more dash here in superlative degree. Now come to the next one. Write it down careful. careful. Then give dash in comparative and give one more dash in superlative. Now come to G. Give dash in positive. Write it down larger than. In comparative. Then give dash in superlative. Now come to the next one. H. Write it down heavy. Then give dash in comparative and give another dash in superlative. Now write it down popular. 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 Then give dash in comparative. Give another dash in superlative. Now come to J. Good. Then give dash in comparative and give another dash in superlative. So these are the questions which I hope that you all have written in your notebook. Now get ready for the answers. And the answers are: the first one, strong, stronger, strongest. Second is difficult, more difficult, most difficult. M-O-R-E, more. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult. M-O-S-T, most. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult. More difficult, most difficult. Then come to the next one. Write it down, young, Y-O-U-N-G, young. Younger than has already been written in comparative. Then in superlative we will write the youngest. Y-O-U-N-G-E-S-T, youngest. Then come to D. Clean, cleaner than, the cleanest. Then come to E. Quick, quicker than, the quickest. Write it down, quicker than in comparative. Then in superlative write it down, the quickest. Q-U-I-C-K-E-S-T. Then come to the next one. Careful, more careful, most careful. M-O-R-E, more. C-A-R-E-F-U-L, careful. And then most careful. Then the next one is large, larger than, then the largest. We have to write large in positive wala column. Larger than we had already written. Then in comparative superlative we will write the largest. Largest. Then write it down heavy, heavier than, the heaviest. Write it down heavier than in comparative and write the heaviest in superlative. Then come to I. Popular, more popular, most popular. More popular in comparative वाला column, most popular in superlative वाला column. Then come to J, the last one, that is good, better than, the best. Good, better, best. This is how we had completed our question number 1. Complete the table with comparison of adjectives. Now it's time to write your homework. Give heading question number 2. Complete these sentences by using the adjective of comparison. आपको ये सारे सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है बाय यूजिंग एडजेक्टिव ऑफ कंपैरिजन्स. ब्रैकेट में आपको दिए गए हैं एडजेक्टिव. उन एडजेक्टिव को आपको प्रॉपर कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स के हिसाब से यहाँ पे लिखना है. लेट अस राइट द क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज. राइट इट डाउन. द फर्स्ट वन, Julie is dash than Susie. In bracket write it down creative. Then come to B1. Apples are dash than chips. In bracket write it down healthy, HEALTHY. Come to the next one. Gold is dash than silver. In bracket write it down expensive, EXPENSIVE, expensive. वन टू थ्री हो गए सबके. Now come to fourth one. My sister's room is dash than mine. MY my. Sister's room is dash than mine. Now the next one is a tiger is dash than a fox. In bracket write it down ferocious. A tiger is dash than a fox. Then come to the next one. The weather today is dash than yesterday. The weather today is dash than yesterday. In bracket write it down hot. Then come to the last one. The first part of the book is dash than the second part. In bracket, write it down. Boring. BORING. All of yours work is done. Question part is done. Now let's come to the explanation part. आपको ये एक्सरसाइज कैसे सॉल्व करनी है? आपको ये एक्सरसाइज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ कंपैरिजन मतलब देखना है कि ये सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में है या पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में है या कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म में है. फिर उसके बेसिस पे आपको यहाँ पे आंसर्स लिखने हैं. जैसे जूली इज डैश देन सूजी. सो वी कैन से Julie is more creative than Susie. And the next one, apples are dash than chips. So हम इसमें कौन सा रूल अप्लाई करेंगे? Y के आगे क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट है, तो Y किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? I में, और फिर हम ER लगाएंगे. दो चीजों को कंपेयर करना है ना, तो ये कंपैरेटिव डिग्री वाला सेंटेंस हुआ. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? हेल्थियर. एप्पल्स आर हेल्थियर देन चिप्स. समझ में आया? लाइकवाइज आपको ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी है. सो डियर किड्स, एट टुडेज सेशन फॉर चैप्टर नंबर 12 comparison of adjective is completed with extra grammar exercise. Then also, if you face any difficulty while solving this exercise or you have any doubt in this chapter, you can ask me. Till then, bye, take care, thank you, keep studying and namaskar.